Oh, I know things are just so busy. Oh, why hello. I was just talking to Valerie about how busy we've been and how I haven't made as many videos recently. But we have a kind of a mini announcement that you know, sometimes it's hard to get camera ready, get all this set up and find time to film. And so we've got a new type of feature so that hopefully we can make videos a little bit more easily. And so we're going virtual. I am virtual! And you might say, oh, poor Valerie, where's Valerie? Well, there she is. Hey Valerie, how you doing? All right, so now I have this amazing model that I can also make videos with. It was made by the wonderful Byoonei. I commissioned it off of vgen, and they are a wonderful artist. So if you're interested in commissioning work, I highly recommend them. I plan to use this model so that I can make some videos like more impromptu, and I don't have to be camera ready. We can just make it, and I think it'll be really good for a simulation. I'm still here, and you can see hear my voice, but you'll get this model instead. So that is the plan. There's a lot of other things going on in my life. Pretty busy. I'm the vice president for educational activities with the Power Electronics Society, so that's pretty cool. We're doing a lot of great initiatives there. I might talk about that later, but that's all I wanted to say for this video. Look forward to some more videos with my beautiful model. So excited. So looking forward to it. See you in the next one.